Hey everybody, welcome back to another dual video, and we have another product today that I found that I wanted to share with you guys. It is a laptop that's on sale over at Walmart, and it's rocking the new Ryzen 5000 series, yeah, and it must be a newer laptop because there are no reviews on it yet, but it looks like the specs are pretty clean, so let's go check it out. So the Lenovo IdeaPad 3, it's the 15.6-inch version. One thing I've always liked about Lenovo laptops, and it looks like this one has a similar keyboard, I always like the feel of their keyboards. They're one of the best quality-wise, in my opinion. This one's rocking the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U, so it's an APU, meaning it has the built-in Radeon graphics, 256 gigabytes of solid-state drive storage, and yeah, Radeon 7 graphics. Windows 10 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. That might be something you might want to look into to see if you can upgrade it to 16, because usually no, you cannot. Maximum RAM supported. That should be okay. My only thing about that is usually APUs use a little bit more memory because other graphics cards, they have dedicated memory. So this one uses RAM instead. And there's no reviews on this. This looks like it just came out recently. The only thing there are comments, and I don't really know what the difference is, but the comments seem pretty positive. And it does seem like a very thin laptop. Lenovo is one of the, they're kind of like Dell. They're one of the better laptop makers, in my opinion. Yeah, looks like a pretty solid laptop for $449. Was $520 to begin with. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in checking it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. And by the way, this blue color looks sweet, with like this granite style. I don't know. Looks interesting. Looks cool. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.